if I quickly revise what hills I have studied so far, we have Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Great Himalayas, Pir Panjal, Dhauladar, Mussoorie, Kumaon, right? We have the Karakoram, Ladakh, Zaskar, Great Himalayas, Pir Panjal. This is your Mussoorie, this is Kumaon, this is Dhauladar. Here you have an important pass. What is a pass? A pass is a gap. Pass, what is a pass? A pass is a gap. A gap in the hills. Gap in the hills. Here in the Arunachal Pradesh, you have a very important pass, that is Difu Pass. Difu Pass. Okay. It is between India and China. Between India and China, there is a pass in Arunachal Pradesh, which is your Difu Pass. Okay. In Naga, I'm now considering, I'm moving on to the important features. इसके हम कुछ important features देखेंगे, ठीक है? So in Naga Hills, ये जो Naga Hills है, इस पे बहुत important peak है. The peak is Saramati Peak. The peak is the Saramati Peak. It is the highest peak of the Naga Hills. It is the highest peak of the Naga Hills. तो ये Naga Hills क्या highest peak है, ठीक है? So this is the peak in the Naga Hills, that is the Saramati peak, and it is a very important peak for Naga Hills. Here in your Manipur, you have a important region, the important place that you have the Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake. ये जो Loktak Lake है, this is in the Manipur. You know Loktak Lake? If you don't know Loktak Lake, let's see what is a Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake. So when we say Loktak Lake, it is one of the most important lake of Manipur. It is basically considered as floating national park. इसको हम floating national park कहते हैं, ठीक है? It is a floating national park. इस लोकटक लेक में actually एक important vegetation है, that is फुमड़ी vegetation, ठीक है? फुमड़ी vegetation. तो ये एक लेक है, ठीक है? मणिपुर में है, ये लेक है, इस पे एक वेजिटेशन है. द वेजिटेशन इज योर फुमड़ी वेजिटेशन. इट इज द फुमड़ी वेजिटेशन, ठीक है? एंड दिस इज कंसिडर्ड एज द floating national park. There is an important species that is found here, an important animal that is found here, that is your Sangai deer. संगाई डियर मिलता है लोकटक लेक में. लोकटक लेक मणिपुर में है एंड वो फ्लोटिंग नेशनल पार्क है एंड इट इज कंसिडर्ड एज द फुमड़ी वेजिटेशन, ठीक है? फुमड़ी वेजिटेशन. सो दिस इज अबाउट योर लोकटक लेक एंड द मणिपुर हिल्स. Now, I said there is an important range. The important range is the Bareil range. ये Bareil range. ठीक है? I'm drawing everything. Just have a look at this for few seconds. Then I will draw a fresh map. I'm moving on. So now, again, see what I'm doing is here. This is your Himalayas. We will draw the Himalayas. ठीक है? This is the outline of India. We have Patkai, Naga, Mizo, Manipur, Lal Matol, and you have your Bareil. ठीक है? So you have your Patkai, Naga, Manipuri Hills, and we had your Mizo Hills. And here we had this. This was your Lal Matol. This is Lal Matol. We had this range. This range is the Bareil range. Bareil range. ठीक है, so this is the Bareil range. If I make you write about Bareil range, the Bareil range extends in your Assam, Nagaland, and also your Manipur. So this extends into 3 states. It extends in 3 states. You can remember the name as Man, M-A-N, or Naam, N-A-M, Bareil Naam. Bada naam karna hai aapko. You have to make a big name, Bara Naam. So Naam is in the Nagaland, Assam, and the Manipur. ठीक है, so Bareil range is in 3 states, which is the Nagaland, Assam, and Manipur. ठीक है, then we saw hills, meso hills. These meso hills, they are also known as Blue Mountain. They are also known as Blue Mountain, and they are known as the Lushai hills. इसको हम Blue Mountain कहते हैं and Lushai hills कहते हैं. So the meso hills, they are also known as Blue Mountain, they are also known as Lushai hills. ठीक है, now a very important thing here. In this there is a state. In Northeast there is a state. That is the Meghalayan state. ठीक है, मेघालयन स्टेट. यहाँ पे आपके 3 important hills हैं, गारो, खासी, जयंतिया. You have your Garo, Khasi, Jayantiya. Garo, Khasi, Jayantiya. There are 3 important hills, Garo, Khasi, Jayantiya hills. ठीक है, इस पे बहुत important चीजें हैं. There इस पे गारो पे you have your Nokrek. गारो पे you have Nokrek. Okay, Nokrek peak. ये किस पे है? गारो पे है. You have the Nokrek peak on Garo. And why is Nokrek important? Because Nokrek has been asked in your examination. It has been asked in examination. ठीक है, so Nokrek is on the Garo hills. यहाँ पे खासी पे you have Shillong. खासी पे you have Shillong. Okay, Shillong. Why is Shillong important? Shillong is important because it is the capital of the Meghalayan state. ठीक है, Meghalayan state. So because it is the capital of Meghalayan state, Shillong is important. So just remember, Garo पे Nokrek है. Khasi, I generally use this short form. Khasi means cuff. Okay, in Hindi cuff को खासी कहते हैं, cuff. You use long जो होता है ना, clove. ठीक है, you use the clove. So whenever you see khasi, you feel long. And what is long? Shillong. ठीक है, तो Shillong is on Khasi hills, whereas Nokrek is on Garo hills.